Yo, boards are coming. Hey guys, Bhuvan here. It's that time of the year again. The board exams are just around the corner. Boards can seem scary, right? The pressure, the expectations, it can all feel overwhelming, like a monster under your bed. But don't worry, it's not as terrifying as it seems. But chill, we'll tackle it together. With the right strategy and mindset, we can conquer this. 95% plus is our goal, and guess what? It's totally doable. With consistent effort and smart work, we can achieve it. Believe in yourself, you got this. Confidence is key, and with the right preparation, you'll be unstoppable. Remember those epic wins in games? The thrill of victory? That's the feeling we're aiming for. This is your boss level. The ultimate challenge that will test your skills and knowledge. Time to level up your study game. Use all the resources at your disposal, from books to online materials. Ready to be a topper? Let's go. Together, we'll make this journey a success. Let's ace those boards. Timetable, your secret weapon. Imagine fighting a boss without a plan. Chaos. That's what studying without a timetable is like. It's your roadmap to success, bro. Keeps you organized, focused, and stress-free. No more wondering what to study. Just follow the plan and boom, you're a studying machine. Trust me, it's a game changer. Sample timetable. Let's crack it. Okay, enough talk. Let's get practical. It's time to dive into the nitty-gritty of how you can structure your day for maximum efficiency and success. Here's a sample timetable, your cheat code to 95% plus. This timetable is designed to help you balance your subjects, giving each one the attention it deserves. Remember, you can customize it to fit your week subjects and exam schedule. Tailor it to your strengths and weaknesses and make sure it aligns with your personal study habits. Morning, 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. Maths, the early bird catches the worm. Starting your day with math can help you tackle complex problems with a fresh mind. Morning, 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Science, fresh mind, complex concepts. Use this time to dive into scientific theories and experiments when your brain is most alert. Evening, 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. English, time for some language love. After a day of rigorous study, unwind with some literature or language exercises. Evening, 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Social studies, stories time. Engage in discussions and debates about historical events and social concepts to make learning fun and interactive. Night, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Second language. Keep switching it up. End your day by practicing a second language, which can enhance your cognitive abilities and keep your brain active. See? Easy peasy. Stick to it and you'll be amazed at what you achieve. Consistency is key. By following this timetable, you'll not only cover all your subjects, but also ensure that you're studying them at the optimal times of the day. So, let's crack it and make those high scores a reality. Batidis. Section 4. Consistency is key. No excuses. Alright, you have your timetable. Now, the real challenge, sticking to it. No procrastination, guys. Be disciplined. Be consistent. Think of it like your favorite game. You gotta grind daily to level up. Consistency is your superpower. Make it a habit and you're unstoppable. Section 5. Study smart, not hard. Listen up, champs. Today we're diving into the art of studying efficiently. It's not just about the hours you put in, but how you use those hours that counts. Studying for hours doesn't mean you're studying effectively. Work smarter, not harder. Here's the secret sauce. Breaks are important. Don't be a robot. Your brain needs time to process information, so give it a rest. Take short breaks to refresh your mind. A 5-minute walk or a quick mindfulness exercise can do wonders. Find your learning style. Some like reading, others like videos. Maybe you prefer listening to audio recordings or engaging in group discussions. Find what works for you. Experiment with different methods until you discover your optimal learning style. Practice makes perfect. Solve past papers, mock tests. The more you practice, the better you get. Repetition helps reinforce what you've learned. Remember, quality over quantity, my friends. Focus on understanding the material deeply rather than just skimming through it. Discuss concepts with peers, teach what you've learned, and always aim for clarity. Section 6. You got this. Listen up, you awesome bunch. I believe in you. You have the power to achieve anything you set your mind to. Stay positive, stay focused, and keep pushing. It's not going to be easy, but hey, nothing worthwhile ever is. Remember, the taste of victory is sweeter after a hard-fought battle. So go out there and make me proud. Section 7. Smash that like button. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your study schedule right now. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends. Let's conquer those boards together.